Okay, exercise 3.7, solving quadratic equations. Main thing, make sure everything is over to the left-hand side and equal to 0. You will see what I mean when we get down to question 24. So I've just chosen a couple of questions. So what do we do here? M squared. So quadratic equations have their highest power in x squared. That's a quadratic equation. Actually, this one down here is not quadratic. All right. So m squared, what do we do to solve this? What do we do first? Plus 5m minus 6 equals 0. Then we factorize and we get factors of 6, negative 6 that add up to 5. I don't know. Got to be really careful with this one. It's 6 and 1 and it's plus 6 minus 1. So be very careful with always your 6s and 5s. Yes, it's going to be 3 and 2 or 6 and 1. But because you've got minus 6, it's not 3 and 2. Okay, it's plus 6. And what you do anyway is you always check your factorization. We've got m squared minus m plus 6m minus 6. I know that works. So what are our solutions here? M is negative 6 or m is 1. Now with the next one, that is not a quadratic. That is a cubic. Because it's fully factorized, this is very quick solution. If x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 is 0, then x is 0, or x plus 1 is 0, or x plus 2 is 0. So I've got 3 solutions for this, and what are they? So I've got 0, negative 1, negative 2. Same as that. Because when I've got m plus 6 is times m minus 1 is 0, really what I'm saying is m plus 6 is 0 or m minus 1 is 0. Because one of them has to be 0 if you multiply them together to get 0. One of them has to be 0. So if I multiply these 3 things together to get 0, one of those things, one or more of them must be 0. So therefore, x could be 0, negative 1, or negative 2. Okay? So this one, see, you cannot solve it like that. This is a quadratic this time. Everything to the left equals 0. But what you need to do first? Well, yeah, you need to expand the left-hand side. So x squared minus x plus 3x minus 3 equals 32. Then we're going to take this 32 over. So I've got x squared what? Plus 2x minus 35 equals 0. Now I can factorize. So please don't attempt to solve a quadratic when you have a number on the right-hand side. And what have I got? X, it's going to be 7 and 5. X plus 7, x minus 5 is 0. Therefore, x, plus 7 is 0. Or now we don't need to write this. X plus 7 is 0 or x minus 5 is 0. So x is negative 7 or 5. And you can put comma instead of or. Okay? Yes, negative 7 or 5. The reason I wrote that is so that you're okay with when you got 3. But we'll be doing polynomials. See, with 3, that's polynomials topic, that's 3 in it. Okay? That's it for that exercise.